At the end of the last video, I had one more problem left to do, and I probably had started it, but I didn't get to finish it. So this is going to be a very short video. So I'm going to start off by putting parentheses around my binomial, and I'm going to find the complex conjugate of the denominator, which is 2 minus I. It always has the opposite sign, remember. Okay, so once I write this out, I notice now I have to go ahead and distribute. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times -1 is -4i. And now I have to distribute across the denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times -i is -2i. And now I'm going to distribute my I. I times 2 is a positive 2i. And I times -i is -i squared. And if I did this right, my inside terms should reduce out to 0, and they do. So now what do I have in my numerator? I have 8 minus 4i. And remember from the last video, I squared equals -1. So I'm replacing I squared with -1. Make sure you do that in parentheses so that you don't forget the double negative, fixing that double negative. So now I fix my double negative, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so you should split this into 2 fractions so that it is in a plus bi form. 8 over 5 minus 4 over 5i. If any of your fractions reduce, you should reduce them. And that is the final answer.